Hello, and thank you for joining the Lightwork software team to learn more about the power of a paperless recruiting and onboarding process. My name is Morgan Lacey, and I spend my days connecting with HR professionals to learn about what tools and resources their team needs to be more successful. I've learned a lot over the years, which is why you can find me here every month sharing best practices in performance management and other workplace themes. Today I'm going to review the advantages for administrators and employees when it comes to the paperless recruiting and onboarding process, as well as the foundations of powerful recruiting and engaging onboarding. And then wrap things up with the tools that Lightwork Recruit provides that help streamline and organize. Paperless onboarding provides a clearer, more organized view of the recruitment process. It allows for better tracking of candidate progress, reduces administrative burdens, and facilitates quicker decision making. For employees, it means a smoother, more engaging onboarding experience that simplifies the transition into their new role. They can access information, complete necessary documentation, and connect with their team all with just a few clicks. So let's talk about the paperless approach. For a lot of companies, paper is the backbone of the recruiting and onboarding process. But paperless onboarding is not just a technological advancement, it's a strategic enhancement that increases efficiency for administrators and leaders. For administrators, the traditional onboarding process can often feel like navigating through a maze of paperwork. Each new hire requires a slew of documents, from tax forms to policy acknowledgement, which can be, meticulously organized and processed if done right. This paper-based approach is not only time-consuming, but is also prone to errors. Paperless onboarding eliminates these hurdles by digitizing forms and automating workflows. This means that administrators can quickly access, share, and process documents without the physical clutter or the risk of misplacement. Leaders, on the other hand, benefit from the data-driven insights that paperless onboarding offers. With the digital systems, information about new employees is readily available and easily analyzed. Leaders can access quick workforce demographics, skill gaps, and talent distribution, enabling more informed decision making. Transitioning to a paperless onboarding process also aligns with sustainability goals. Reducing paper consumption lowers the organization's carbon footprint and underscores a commitment to environmental responsibility. Additionally, the cost savings from reduced paper, printing, and storage expenses can be significant, allowing organizations to reallocate resources towards innovation and growth. One of the most significant benefits of adopting paperless onboarding and recruiting is the elimination of communication silos. In a traditional paper-based system, information is often isolated within departments, leading to delays and miscommunication. Digital systems, however, ensure that information is centralized and easily accessible to all relevant stakeholders. This accessibility promotes a collaborative environment where teams can share insights and updates seamlessly, reducing the risk of misunderstanding and enhancing overall productivity. Real-time communication allows for quick adjustments and proactive problem solving, ensuring that any issues are addressed promptly. Candidates and new hires are kept in the loop, enhancing their experience and engagement from the very beginning. For candidates and new employees, clear and consistent communication is crucial. Paperless onboarding and recruiting systems offer intuitive interfaces where they can track their progress, submit necessary documents, and receive feedback without unnecessary delays. This transparency builds trust and fosters a positive first impression. Another advantage of paperless recruiting is the ability to reach a wider pool of candidates. Traditional recruitment methods often rely on physical advertisement or in-person application, which can limit the diversity of applicants. Digital platforms, however, allow organizations to post job openings on various online job boards and social media, reaching potential candidates regardless of their geographical location. This expanded reach is important for attracting a diverse talent pool that brings in a varied perspective and skills for the organization. For remote employees, the ability to access onboarding materials from anywhere in the world is a game changer. Paperless systems provide a centralized digital platform where all necessary information, documents, and training modules are readily available. This accessibility ensures that remote employees can complete onboarding tasks without the need for a physical presence, enabling them to transition smoothly into their new role regardless of their location. With billions of active users across various platforms, social media offers a unparalleled reach and connectivity, allowing companies to tap into diverse talent pools and engage with potential candidates in innovative ways. One of the advantages of using social media in recruiting is the ability to expand reach and visibility. Platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter enable organizations to share job openings with a vast audience beyond traditional job boards. This expanded reach is particularly valuable for attracting passive candidates, those who may not be actively looking for a job but could be enticed by a compelling opportunity. Social media is a powerful medium for building and promoting an organization's employer brand. By sharing engaging content that highlights a company's culture, values, and achievements, organizations can create a positive image that resonates with potential candidates. This portrayal helps attract individuals who align with the company's ethos and are more likely to thrive in its environment. Social media platforms provide valuable data and analytics that can inform recruiting strategies. By analyzing engagement metrics, organizations can gain insight into what content resonates with their audience and adjust their approaches accordingly. This data-driven approach ensures that recruitment efforts are both effective and efficient. In a quest to build high-performing teams, organizations are increasingly recognizing the value of collaborative hiring, as it's a critical component of a successful recruiting process. Collaborative hiring involves engaging multiple stakeholders in the recruitment process, from team members and managers to HR professionals and executives. This approach not only enhances the quality of hiring decisions, but also strengthens team dynamics and supports organizational goals. When multiple stakeholders are involved in evaluating candidates, they bring varied experiences, insights, and criteria to the table. This diversity helps in identifying candidates who not only are meeting technical requirements, but are also aligned with the company's culture and values. By considering different viewpoints, organizations can reduce bias and make more balanced and informed decisions. Collaborative hiring fosters a sense of ownership and accountability among team members. When employees are involved in the recruitment process, they're more likely to feel invested in the success of a new hire and the team as a whole. This involvement encourages collaboration and communication, laying the foundation for strong team dynamics. While involving more people in the hiring process might seem like it would slow things down, collaborative hiring can actually reduce time to hire. With clear communication and well-coordinated approach, teams can efficiently assess candidates and make swift decisions. Another thing I want to mention is an innovative job description goes beyond listing duties and qualifications. It paints a picture of the company's culture and work environment. By integrating elements that showcase the organization's ethos, such as the commitment to innovation, collaboration, or social responsibility, job descriptions can help candidates self-select a better cultural fit. This alignment is important for attracting individuals who are not only qualified, but also resonate with the company's mission and values. A structured orientation can create an effective and engaging onboarding process. It serves as the foundation for new employees to integrate successfully into the organization, setting the stage for future growth and satisfaction. Structured orientation programs provide new employees with a clear understanding of their roles, responsibilities, and performance expectations. By outlining goals and benchmarks early on, organizations help employees align their efforts with company objectives. This clarity reduces confusion and uncertainty, allowing new hires to focus on contributing effectively to the team. A structured orientation provides new employees with tools and resources they need to succeed. By ensuring that they have access to training materials, mentors, and support systems, organizations boost employee confidence. Confident employees are more likely to take initiative, contribute ideas, and engage fully in their roles. When new hires understand exactly what's expected of them, they can focus on achieving specific goals from the onset. This clarity helps employees prioritize tasks and manage their time effectively, reducing the likelihood of feeling overwhelmed and uncertain. By providing a cleared roadmap for responsibilities, organizations empower employees to take ownership of their roles, fostering a sense of autonomy and motivation. Starting a new job can be an anxious experience, filled with unknowns about performance and, the fit within the team. Clear role expectations alleviate this anxiety by providing a definitive guide to what success looks like in this position. This understanding helps new employees feel more secure and confident about their ability to meet organizational standards, leading to a smoother transition and greater job satisfaction. By clearly outlining how an employee's role contributes to the larger organizational goals, the onboarding process helps align individual efforts with a company's mission and strategy. This alignment ensures that employees understand that the significance of their contribution and enhances their sense of purpose and engagement. When employees see how their work fits into the bigger picture, they're more likely to be motivated and committed to the organization's success. Incorporating a feedback avenue into the onboarding process is important for creating an engaging and effective experience for new employees. Feedback serves as a vital communication tool that benefits from both organizations and its employees. Fostering a supportive environment that encourages growth, adaptation, and mutual understanding. A feedback avenue promotes transparency and builds trust between new employees and the organization. By openly seeking and addressing feedback, organizations demonstrate their willingness to engage in open dialogue and make necessary changes. This transparency helps establish a foundation of trust, which is essential for developing strong collaborative relationships. Feedback allows managers to identify areas where new hires may need additional support or resources. By actively seeking feedback, organizations can address challenges promptly, facilitating smoother adaptation and integration process. This support ensures that new employees feel comfortable and confident in their roles. I want to review a few things that managers can do when it comes to creating a more successful onboarding process for their new hires. Feeling welcomed and valued from the outset helps new employees integrate more seamlessly into company culture. A personalized welcome reinforces the message that they are an important part of the team, enhancing their sense of belonging. This sense of belonging is essential for fostering loyalty and motivation, as employees who feel connected to their workplace are more likely to engage and commit. Personalized welcomes often include tailored interactions, communications that resonate with the new hire's interest, background, and role. By aligning the onboard experience with individuals, organizations can boost engagement by making the process more relevant and enjoyable. Engaged employees are more likely to be productive, innovative, and proactive, contributing positively to the organization's success. A personalized welcome establishes new employees to start building relationships with colleagues and managers from day one. By facilitating introductions and interactions that are meaningful and genuine, organizations help new hires establish connections that can help support their integration and development. Strong relationships are a key to creating a collaborative and supportive environment where employees feel comfortable sharing ideas and seeking assistance. A well defined agenda offers structure and direction, outlining the key activities, meetings, and training sessions that new hires will participate in. This structure helps employees understand what to expect and when, reducing uncertainties and anxieties. A clear agenda assures that all necessary topics are covered systematically, preventing important aspects from being overlooked. With a clear agenda, both the organization and the new employee can make efficient use of their time. Managers can ensure that onboarding activities are scheduled logically, avoiding overlaps and unnecessary delays. This efficiency allows new hires to quickly acclimate to their roles, enabling them to contribute productively sooner. A structured agenda facilitates communication and coordination across different departments involved in the onboarding process, as it ensures that everyone from HR to team leaders are aligned on the schedule and the responsibilities. This alignment helps streamline the process, reducing the likelihood of miscommunication and ensuring a seamless experience for the new employee. Feedback from new hires provides valuable insight into the effectiveness of the onboarding process. By collecting and analyzing this feedback, managers can identify areas that worked well and those that require enhancement. This continuous improvement ensures that the onboarding process evolves to meet the changing needs of new employees and aligns with organizational goals. Inviting feedback creates a culture of trust and transparency with employees and management. It shows that the organization is open to dialogue and willing to make necessary changes. This openness builds trust, which is essential for developing strong collaborative relationships that contribute to a positive work culture. Feedback allows managers to pinpoint areas where new hires may need additional support or resources. By addressing these promptly, the organization can facilitate a smoother adaptation and integration process. This support ensures that new employees feel confident and capable in their roles, accelerating their effectiveness and contribution. As organizations shift towards digital solutions, paperless recruiting and onboarding systems have become really important in ensuring secure document management. These systems not only streamline administrative processes, but also offer robust security measures to protect sensitive information. To ensure that only authorized personnel can access sensitive documents, paperless systems implement secure access controls. These controls include user authentication measures as passwords, verification, and all sorts of multi-factor authentication options. By limiting access to specific individuals based on their roles, organizations can protect confidential information from unauthorized access. Digital systems provide automated backup and recovery solutions to protect against data loss due to system failures, cyber attacks, or other unforeseen events. By regularly backing up data to secure locations, organizations ensure that critical documents can be restored quickly and efficiently, minimizing potential disruptions to operations. Paperless systems utilize automated data entry features that reduce the likelihood of human error. When candidates input their information directly into digital forms, the risk of miskeyed data or transcript errors is minimized. Automation ensures that data is captured accurately from the start, eliminating the need for manual re-entry and the potential for mistakes. Digital platforms standardize the format of documents and forms, ensuring consistency across all records. This uniformity reduces confusion and errors that can arise from using multiple versions of a document. With single standardized template, organizations can maintain clarity and precision in their documentation process. By centralizing all recruitment and onboarding information within a digital platform, organizations eliminate the risk of lost or misplaced documents. A centralized system allows for easy retrieval and review of records, ensuring that all data is up to date and accurate. This centralization also facilitates better coordination between departments, reducing errors related to miscommunication or information silos. Lightwork Recruit, powered by iRecruit, is a powerful and flexible platform that transforms the way organizations manage their recruitment and onboarding process. Offered as a software as a service deployment, Lightwork Recruit empowers businesses to streamline their operations, eliminate the cumbersome paperwork of traditional methods, and centralize all recruitment related activities in one seamless digital environment. Hiring managers can easily access, manage, and process all applicant related information without the hassle of physical documents. This reduction in paperwork not only saves time but also minimizes errors, enhances data accuracy, and improves overall efficiency. This centralization ensures that information is consistent, up to date, and available to all relevant stakeholders, enhancing communication and collaboration across departments. With everything in one place, hiring managers can easily track candidates' progress, review applicant material, and manage onboarding tasks without the risk of miscommunication or data silos. If you would like to learn more about the tools in Lightwork Recruit that allow for a paperless applicant tracking, recruiting, and onboarding process, please feel free to reach out to us through our website linked below. Thank you for joining the Lightwork team to learn more about the advantages of a paperless recruiting and onboarding process. You can find our team here every month sharing best practices in performance management and other workplace themes. Subscribe to the Lightwork Software YouTube channel to catch all of our future presentations, and follow us on all social media to keep up with what's new with Lightwork. Thank you.